friends, I am Adreja. Welcome to my study room. In this video, we are going to start with exercise 8.2 of trigonometry class 10. So, let's solve the first number. What is the number 1? Sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. We have to find out the value of sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. So in the previous video we have already discussed about the values of sine 60, sine 30, sine 45, right? We have discussed the values. So today we are going to solve these questions with those values. So let's solve this one. What is sine 60? Sine 60 was root 3 by 2, right? Sine 60 was root 3 by 2. And what was cos 30? Cos 30 was also root 3 by 2, right? Plus sine 30, what was sine 30? Sine 30 was 1 by 2. And cos 60 was also 1 by 2. So now, what is root 3 into root 3? Root 3 square, right? So what is root 3 square? Root 3 square is 3. And 2 2s are 4. And again 2 2s are 4. So what is it? It is 4 by 4. So the answer is 1. So the value of sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 is 1. Now let's move to the next one. Now let's solve the second one. What is it? 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sine square 60. We have to find the value of this. So 2 first and 2. Now what is tan 45? We have already learned that tan 45 is 1, right? So 1 square, because tan 45 is 1, then tan square 45 is 1 square plus. Now what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cos square 30 will be root 3 by 2 whole square, right? Minus. Now what is sine 60? Sine 60 is also root 3 by 2. So sine square 60 will be again root 3 by 2 whole square. So now plus root 3 by 2 whole square and minus root 3 by 2 whole square will be cut. Right? So what remains? 2 into 1. 2 into, what is 1 square? It is 1. So what is it? It is 2. The answer is 2. Okay, we have found out the answer. Now let's move to the next one. Now let's solve this question. It is number 3. Cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30. So first, what is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Then sec 30. What is sec 30? Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. What is cosec 30? It is 2. Now we are going to solve this. So first 1 by root 2. Now we are going to plus this, okay? Root 3, 2 plus 2 root 3, 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Now 1 by root 2 multiply 2, root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3, right? We can write this like this. Now we are going to multiply this. Root 3 by, what is 2 into root 2? 2 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into root 2, what is 3? 3 2s are 6, right? So it will be root 6. So now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply this with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, we're going to multiply root 3 with 2 root 2 minus root 6, and this also with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Right? Then we're also going to multiply this. This whole multiplied to okay. Now, what is root 3 into 2 root 2? It will be 2. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6. 3 2s are 6. So it will be root 6 minus, again 2 root 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now this. If this is a and this is b, then it will be a plus b into a minus b, right? So we can write it as a square minus b square. Okay. So what it will be? 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square, right? Now over here we're going to take out 9 from here. How we are going to do? We are going to do it like this. We can write 18 as 9 into 2, right? 9 2s are 18. So we are going to write it as 9 into 2. Okay. Then over here, what is the whole square of 2 root 2? So 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square is again 4 and root 6 square is 6. Okay. Now why we have done this as 9 into 2? Because we know what is 9 root. 3 square is 9. So 9 root is 3, right? So what will happen? We can take out 3 from here. If we take out 9 from here, over here we can write into 3, right? So what we are going to write? 2 into 3. Okay. That's why we have divided 18 into 9 into 2. Root 2. By what is 4 2s are 8 minus 6 4s are 24. Now what it will be? It will be 2 root 6 minus 3 2s are 6 root 2 by what will be this? 24 minus 8, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 6 and over here 1 16. So now we are going to take 2 as minus 2 as common from here. How? We are going to take minus 2 like this common. Okay. Now what will happen from here if minus 2 goes? What will remain? Minus root 6, right? We have taken out minus 2 from here. So what will remain? Minus root 6. Now from here if we take minus 2, so what will be there? Minus, it will become plus. So it will be 3. Right, 2 3s are 6, 3 root 2 by minus 16, 2 8s are 16. Now, if we write this as like this, 3 root 2 minus root 6, right, we can write this like this by 8. This is the answer. What is the answer? This is the answer.